What do you say is happening in that video? He's gasping for breath.
He's gasping for breath, yes.
Dr. Victoria, does that look like that to you?
It is a French bulldog. They have very short noses and have difficulty breathing throughout their lives.
Judge, may I just say something?
I'm going to ask you something in a moment. In the meantime, I'm going to ask for Ace to be brought in. It's going to be under my care and control whilst that happens. Do you agree?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you very much. Can we go and get Ace? What did you want to say, Kevin, please?
I would just like to state, you say how much you love Ace.
Yeah.
Have you got any idea what Kevin put into Ace the first 2 weeks of his life? Do you know what that involves?
I'm not debating. I'm never...
2 hourly feeds, 24 hours a day, day and night. You don't get any sleep.
And I'm not debating
if there was any issues with him, and he told her no.
No.
From day one, when you said there was a problem, Kevin offered to take him back from you.
Yeah.
You'd only had him a matter of days. But you decided to not pay any money. You just tried to scam him. I'm sorry. It's a form of scam.
No, it's not.
You can't just make one payment and then stop everything. Then you ignore everybody. You ignore the text messages.
If Ace, well, Star, shall I just say, if he meant so much, then why is Kevin not standing up for himself? Why are you speaking for him?
Because he was with me when we gave birth to all puppies. And
I helped to give birth to that litter of puppies. I helped them take the first breath.
This, Kevin, scam is a very strong word.
Yes, it is, sir.
You'd agree it's also deeply concerning for somebody to cut the bottom off a vet record, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Thank you.
Which I am, sir.
Hello? Go on then. Go on that way. Go on. Good boy. Come on in.
Dr. Victoria, the mountain won't come to Mohammed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Shannon, what were your concerns about the dog? You've expressed some of them.
So mostly my concerns were obviously his back paw. When I took him to the vets, they said that it looked like it had been trapped in some way.
Understood.
Or it was just a natural birth defect that he was born with, which I wasn't aware of, obviously, when Kevin sold me the puppy.
Understood. Now, Dr. Victoria, you've had a look at the back paw and the various other concerns that have been expressed by...
Excuse me, Judge, I didn't hear about the back paw.
Apologies. Very difficult to understand under these circumstances to have a look and give a clinical view.
Which one was it?
It's that one. The one that you were just touching, yeah.
He's got extremely short claws on that paw as opposed to the other one, so there is some sort of genetic defect there. Not a huge problem, but...
Life-changing?
No.
Understood. In respect of the other concerns that Shannon has raised, what's your conclusion about this dog's chances?
Fine. The breed goes with its inherent problems.
Understood.
This squashed face.
Understood. What's that called? It's called something.
Brachycephalic, which is translated means short-nosed.
Thank you very much, Dr. Victoria. I'm happy for you to stay there, but I think my viewers might get upset that I've got a vet on her knees in my court. So,
you might be right.
Thank you very much indeed. Michelle, would you take Ace to the dog handler? Thank you very much. Michelle, would you take the dog out? Thank you.
Yes, no problem. Come on, we'll go this way.
You're claiming for £1,250, which is the outstanding fee for the puppy. You have another part of your claim, £500 for stress.
Yeah, for not paying me and making me go to the police and everything.
What did the police say to you?
You can go down and to the people and get the dog back if you want. I said, no, I'll go through civil court, solicitor and everything.
You said that to the policeman?
No, I waited and got in touch with you.
That sound right to you, Kevin, sensible man that you are? Bit iffy. If I said to you, if somebody didn't pay for something, well, that's all right. You have the legal power to go into their home and get it back.
I don't think I would.
Would you agree that it would be rather strange for a person involved...
I would if the police were there.
Excuse me?
I would if the police were there.
Would you agree it would be rather strange for the police to give that advice? Yes? Any other reason that you've been distressed, sir?
Sending the council round and the RSPCA round to my property and then round to Kevin's house as well.
Did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Madam, what would it do to you if I were to return this dog to Kevin? What would it do to you?
This has enough.
So, Shannon, you need to tell me the truth. because it does matter to my attitude to your response here.
Yes.
When you telephoned the RSPCA and the authorities,
yes,
you tell me that you didn't do that maliciously.
I didn't do it maliciously on behalf of Kevin, because we didn't have any problems to start off with.
But you reported. When did you?
You hadn't even met me.
No.
Yeah.
Who am I? What have I ever done wrong to you?
You were the one that was on the vet papers.
Well,
your name is on the vet papers.
Have you ever met me? Have you ever met me? Have you ever spoken to me? No, you haven't.
I've tried to contact you.
I don't know you, but yet you can do that to me.
Can I just please...
When all I want to do is raise my family. I'm a family man.
Kevin, that's your claim. £500 for compensation and £1,250 for the outstanding sum for the dog.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.